Pasilip ako sa inyo ng kaunti sa aming munting tahanan na luma. Kalma ka lang, kalma. Kalma ka lang, bala. Hello everyone! Happy weekend mga kapamilya! Ito ang aming weekend morning. 9 AM na dito sa umaga. Ito yung aming weekend. Ito yung aming sitwasyon ngayon since nag-move kami. Eh, luma guys yung place. Itong bahay ay super luma-luma. Yung tinatawag nilang antique na kumbaga. Yeah. Just bring her in the porch. Yung papi namin drink lang daw ng tubig. Eh, pag nag-drink yan ng tubig in few minutes, pipipi na yan kaagad. Kaya sabi ko dadalhin doon sa labas, doon sa porch para doon siya umihi. Kasi maya-maya pa kami lalabas guys. So ito pala yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na aming bagong tahanan. Ito yung living room. Pasilip ng kaunti sa inyo guys. So kung nakikita nyo, ayan pa lahat-lahat yung aming mga garbage. Ano lang din guys, yung mga boxes. Mga gamit namin nasa boxes pa guys. Ayan. At saka, you know, lahat-lahat nakikita nyo. A mess. A mess kami guys. A mess kasi napakaliit itong bahay guys. Compare doon sa aming bahay sa Arizona. So ito ay napakaliit. Walang room. Kaya yung mga gamit namin ay nakasit lang dito sa mga kilid ng bahay. Sa wall. Ayan. Kasi dalawang room lang ito guys. And so hindi namin in-expect kasi na napakarami pala naming mga dala from Arizona paglipat dito, hindi kasya. So kaya ngayon temporarily nakalagay sa mga boxes at container yung mga gamit namin kasi hindi pa namin masyado na ano ba yun, na kumpleto yung aming o na finalize yung ano namin, yung plano kung ano ang gagawin namin dito sa aming mga gamit. Kung lalagay uli sa storage para magkaroon kami ng space dito sa living room. And kasi nga mayroon pa kaming tago sa storage na gamit guys, since paglipat namin sa from Arizona, hindi pa namin nakuha yung storage na pinadeliver dito sa kumpanya na nag-deliver. So, hanggang ngayon nandoon pa sa Albany, part ng New York. Doon gin-deliver yung aming storage, yung yung pack rack na tinatawag nila na ang laman ay mga gamit. So, hindi namin kinuha. So, basically, nagre-rent kami doon ng storage nila. Sino-storage yung mga gamit doon. Kasi nga hindi kasya dito, wala kaming paglalagyan. So, meanwhile, right now, itong mga gamit namin, pinaplano namin lalagay sa storage. So, nagpaplano kami maghanap ng mga storage area dito. At storage muna itong mga gamit. So, hindi pa namin alam kung anong plano, kung i-renovate ka agad or maghintay pa kami ng few years, ipon ng budget, dahil siyempre paglipat namin dito ubos na yung budget namin. So kaya lang muna, tiis-tiis muna sa ganitong sitwasyon guys. Ayan, so ito yung aming sitwasyon ngayon. So yun ang kaunting update sa aming munting bagong tahanan dito guys. Pupunta kami doon sa aming mini farm mamaya. Oh, you wanna come? Oh, Muffin. She really wants to go out now. So, yung asawa ko actually nandoon na. Doon yung aming future mini farm guys sa likod. Ayan. Medyo makikita na kaunti guys kasi nga dahil nga ngayon malamig na. Ang mga dahon ng mga kahoy ay napapatay at yung nahuhulog sa sa lupa. So, ngayon kaya ayan, medyo kalbo na yung mga kahoy dahil nauubos na mahuhulog. So yun na lang yung ibang natitira kaunti. So ayan, kalbo na naman ng mga ilang ano yata ito. Makakalbo itong mga kahoy for few months. Siguro mga 5 months yata yung winter dito. So maybe in a month or a month and a half, magiging puti na ito guys kasi snow na naman. Guys, come on, let's go get ready. We're gonna go. Gretchen, are you done your piano practice? Are you done now? Why you get your upset? Okay, don't do it anymore. You're done? Yeah, yung naririnig yung kaninang background ng music na maingay. Ano yung guys, nagpa-practice yung anak kong babae ng kanyang piano lesson. Ito yung kanyang piano keyboard. Ayan. Dito siya nagpa-practice. So, ayan. So ngayon, did you turn off now? Okay. Where's the power? Okay. So, dito siya nagpa-practice ng kanyang piano lesson guys pag sa bahay siya. And then pag oras na ng kanyang lesson doon sa kanyang teacher, yun yung kami pumupunta sa kanyang teacher. So anyway, let's go get ready. Come on. Let's do the dishes actually first. Come on. Gretchen, put some jacket and pants. It's because it's really really cold outside. So ngayon lalagay muna kami ng mga clean dishes sa itabi muna namin yung mga dishes namin kasi wala na kaming mga dishes dito guys. So ayan, tingnan nyo guys, nakikita nyo aming sitwasyon. Ayan, dito lang nakalagay yung mga gamit namin sa sa counter. Guys, can you guys help me? Magligpit muna kami guys ng aming mga plato. Ayan, malinis na yan. Ilalagay ko sa naman namin. Doon, nakasalpak yung mga gamit. Ayan guys. So late. Ngayon, tumatanda na. I can't do it anymore, buddy. I would like to stay up more, but then, your mom is getting old. Yeah. I can't do it anymore to stay up. Watch out. Be careful. It's hot. Yeah, you can do it now. Arrange it nice. So if you put it that way, make sure everything goes this way. Like that. Make sure you don't touch this. Very hot. Be careful with your hand.
Griffin, we're cooking the pig from in the phone.
What?
Like the pig like that.
Doing food.
Yeah.
Wait, I need more of that. There's more space in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a fork. Gretchen, you get a plate. Well, like almost like a bowl.
It's not even close to get it done. Yeah. Hold on, Bubba. Hold on, Mimi. Where are you gonna put it? Watch your hand. All right.
My time I didn't put it down.
Okay. Let's have this one for now, Mama. Let's cook this one first.
We'll move that one in. Sit down.
Bacon breakfast. And then what else? What are you gonna make beside bacon?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Toast.
And
toast.
and toast. You want bagel? Bagel. You
I
want
want
bagel?
rice with it, but there's no rice.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe you should cook rice.
I'm gonna make.
I'm doing the bacon and the eggs.
I know. I'm doing the eggs.
I'm doing the eggs. You don't have to do the eggs.
Yes, I do.
Wait up. Mom, can you do the rice, please?
Okay. Wait, no. The rice, it takes so long to cook. So your bacon is already almost done. The rice could have cooked it already ahead earlier, maybe like 10 minutes ago.
Because if we already did it, let me get the egg, boy. Let me get the egg. Oh, Mom, we have toast. I'm not getting a bagel.
You don't want the bagel? Well, there's bread right there. You can make a toast.
I'm making an egg.
Egg!
Egg bacon bread sandwich.
Okay, we need a plate for your bacon.
You
Mom, is this good?
What?
This one?
No, not yet. Make sure it's crispy and like brown.
Brown? Okay.
Yeah.
Then, no,
Hold on. Yeah.
Stop playing with the egg. Because if you keep moving them, the yolk is going to break inside of the egg. Then when we break it, it's like a perfect one.
Mom, look
Look
at
at your
all the
nose.
ladybug.
Which sweater are you gonna bring?
I'll just bring the flower one.
Flower. Wait. This one right here.
Okay,
You
yeah.
want that? Okay, put it on now. Pupunta sila sa aming neighbor. Nag-invite sa amin na football party daw. Dahil may game ngayon yung football dito. So, nag-invite sila kung gusto namin magpunta. Manood ng football game sa bahay nila. So, yung mga anak ko ang pupunta. Kasi kami ay busy dito sa bahay. So, sila ang ipapadala ko para maglaro doon sa kanilang mga anak.
You can't go outside.
Oh no, she cannot. Don't let her go out first because she's gonna run in the yard and we're gonna be in trouble if she run over to the road. So make sure she's not gonna come out when we open this door. Are you gonna go out now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. She's not gonna come. All right. Go. All right. Guys, come back in 4 hours, okay? Grab. Okay. Nandun na yung mga anak ko umalis. Hindi ako makaalis-alis dito sa loob ng bahay dahil maraming gawain, guys. Yung mga laundry ko pala, ang dami kong mga laundry gawain. Bukas, Monday na naman. May school na naman yung mga bata. Tatapusin ko muna yung aking mga laundry. And then, titingnan ko doon kung anong matulong ko doon sa aking asawa kasi nag-work siya doon sa labas. Check natin si Mister kung ano yung mga pinagagawa niya at mga natapos na. Maririnig ko dito yung mga shouting ng mga bata. Kasi dyan lang guys yung neighbor namin na nag-invite for a football game party. So ayan, yung mga bata na sa labas yata naglalaro. So naririnig ko yung mga ano nila, mga boses. Nandito si Mister sa may ano namin, sa may kabilang side ng aming yard. Ayan. Dito sa kabila, ito yung aming kabilang side na driveway. Ayan guys. Kahit saan kami nanggagaling, left or right, kasi main road yan. So pagdating namin dito kami pumapasok. Ito yung driveway namin. Tapos doon naman yung pag lumabas kami doon naman sa kabila. Parang may U kaming entrance. U ang entrance ng aming yard dito sa aming bahay. Oh my God! What are you doing? Wait, you're planting the small plant in the bottom of the tree? Okay, wait, what tree is this?
Those are chives and chives.
Chives and chives?
Not your normal chive.
Oh, it's like a non-edible chives plant?
No, it's edible.
Oh, it's really?
Just a different type of chive.
Okay. But you can
Very edible.
but you can actually use this for cooking?
Oh yes.
I can't really smell though. The chives usually is very strong like onion smell.
Sure.
But
Those
this
two are-
one
those
is
two
not.
are onion.
So this is like a herbs. Yeah, chives herbs. Except it's a different kind of
This is an ornamental
chives.
edible onion over here. These are edible but
Oh.
also ornamental.
Okay.
Onion.
Ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung anong ginagawa ni Mister.
Elderberry,
So what kind of tree is this again?
black walnut.
Okay, this tree is black walnuts. So ito kanina yung kanyang pinagkakabisihan, ginagawa niya. Nilinisan niya yung puno ng kahoy ng nuts. Ayan. And then, so ang plano niya, lalagyan niya ng mga, ito yung walnuts. What is this? Walnuts. Ito yung walnuts, guys. Ayan. So, nilinisan niya, guys, kasi nilalagyan niya ng mga maliliit na plant sa ilalim. So, parang ilalandscape niya yung ilalim nitong puno. So, ito yung nilalagay niyang mga plant. At bago ka rin mag-plant nitong mga maliliit na plant sa tabi ng tree, kailangan alamin mo muna kung anong klaseng plant yung pwede itanim dito sa puno, kasi may mga tanim na hindi pwede ilalagay malapit sa sa puno. It depends kung anong klaseng puno at kung anong plants. So ayan yung ginagawa niya, guys. So ito yung side yards namin, and then yung itong area yung tinuturo ko, yun yung parang pathway or daanan papunta doon sa likod sa aming ginagawang future na garden or farm at saka livestock farm. Ayan. So itong area na ito ay yard na namin, paligid na ng bahay. Ayan. So yung itong pinanggagawa niya. So I don't think so kung anong matulong ko dito sa kanya na yun. I-check natin ang isa pang puno ng nuts na tinataniman ng asawa ko ng mga halaman sa ilalim. Oh, okay.
Mountain mint.
Wait,
lemon,
what is this one?
red currant berry.
Red currant?
It's called Red Lake.
Ayan. So ito naman ay nasa kabilang side ng yard.
Better for jams and jellies.
This?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the berries, one of the berries. And oh my god, look at all those chipmunks. And more plant right there.
Mountain mint.
Mint. Oh, okay.
2 types of mountain mint.
Oh, mint daw ito. Ayan, guys. Yan, mint daw yan. And this one is, what is this? What this one? Hi, what is that? I can't even read it.
Mountain mint.
Mountain mint?
this
Oh, okay. Mountain
This
mint.
is also a different type of mountain mint. These are 2 different types of mountain mint. So it's like mint.
Okay. Mint, mint, mint. And this one is? What's this?
Onion.
Oh, onion.
Edible.
Okay, this is onion. So, yung parang mga wild siya, guys, na plant. Pero mga edible. So, ito lang yung mga plant na pwede yata ipaplant next to sa, ito lang yata yung mga klaseng plant na pwede ipaplant sa, malapit sa puno ng nuts. Okay. And this is another mint.
Bee balm.
Yeah, this is another
No,
mint.
that's the bee balm.
Oh, bee balm? Oh, okay. But it's like, smell like mint also,
It
right?
has a smell. It's very, very nice. It goes in cosmetics, I think.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah, it's almost
The
like,
butterflies and the bees love it.
it's almost like, this is almost like used for, herbal medicine na klaseng na mint. Ayan.
And then the chives.
And then the chives. Is this the same type from the other side?
These 2 are
Yeah, okay.
here too.
See, I'm having a hard time of smelling this kasi wala siyang,
Smell it.
I can't smell it at all. There's no smell in this chives. Itong side na ito ay, ito yung side na malapit sa aming, ano ba yun? Yung aming bonfire with my, wait. Yeah?
Eat it.
Why? I can't taste the hives at all.
Eat a bigger piece. Oh, totally bad.
So, itong side na ito, guys, ay yung side na kung saan yung aming bonfire at saka yung hangout site namin. Yun na nga yung makikita mo yung yung fence na ginawa ko. Ayan, guys. Ito naman yung sa kabilang side. Ayan. Ha? Elderberry? Oh, elderberry. They're healthy for you. Nilalagay ito sa mga
Watch out for that hole.
Okay, nilalagay ito kasi sa mga vitamins. Pag na mga flavor sa vitamins yung elderberry. Yeah. Yan, ito guys. Ayan.
Black walnut.
Oo, they're right there. The party is right there.
And then the
I
black
see
walnut.
people sa nila, sa balcony. At ito yung puno na another black walnuts. Ayan. So, ayan.
Hey,
So, ayan. Yung aming hangout area. Ha?
I was doing this.
No, I'm gonna put a Christmas light.
No, look, follow me.
Okay, what?
Inside is the garden over here. Hey, no, this side. Not on this side. This side's the garden,
Mm.
and then it comes across on this side over here, like it was.
Mm. What are you gonna do?
Pick it up and put up and doing like the gills. Let's put your vines. The two clematis vines we got done. And then your vines can get planted and then they'll grow and spread. So you gotta put them in different spots because they're gonna, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna go both directions.
Yun yung site na yan guys na yung gagawin naming livestock farm. Diyan kami maglagay ng chicken. Tingnan nyo naman mula nung pagdating namin dito at yung ngayon na itsura niya ng site na ito. Wala nang mga kahoy. Wow! Ayan guys, tingnan nyo dahil nga sa ulan ng ulan. Ito yung daanan namin dito papunta sa likod. Ayan, muddy siya. What? I thought we need that for that
Not really. Wasted rock.
braids.
We got another path. This other pathway is next to it. And I'm gonna
Where, this one right here? Oh yeah.
access it better.
Hey, remember I started this? I did this. I made this. Yeah. This is my route. I made this to go here and get access right here. Yes. Instead of going to the other side, the one that he was picking up the
I took
rocks.
about 10 more trees down back there. See it? And I took down the little pine tree in the middle. You didn't notice that gone?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I took some in the back in that back corner. Because we really can get some nice.
Pwede na mag-alaga ng mga chicken dito. Wala na yung mga kahoy at yung mga gamot ng kahoy. Nakuha na lahat guys. So, flat na siya. Ayan, flat na siya. Pwede na mag-build ng chicken coop house right here. Ganyan na kalaki. Oh, diba? Manguha tayo ng mga bato. Dito kinukuha ni Mr. yung mga bato na nilalagay niya doon sa puno ng kahoy. Ginagamit niya pang landscape.
And that, what was the total for that again? That's on the email. 304.75. Got it. Thank you very much. That was the dirt guy.
Oh, okay. Hey, I got you some rocks right here. Go get it.
Yeah.
Where's the big one? I dig it, you pick it up.
Gee.
Well, this one is big. Oh my god, this one is big.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Woo!
that one's gonna be
Well, this one is really big. Wow. Oh my god! Oh,
oh man, that's big.
very big. Yung lupa ay moist. Kaya hindi mahirap bubungkalin.
Hey, I think the kids are back on.
Oh, are they? Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, they can go home themselves.
Yeah, no, he walked them. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh, there she is. Is Baba? Where's Baba?
I thought he was with you.
See, he probably just went inside the house. You know him. He's gonna go straight to his iPad. What's up?
I thought he was here with you guys.
Did you have fun?
Yes, but I saw someone else walking.
What do you mean? But you and your brother went home?
Yes, I came back before it was full, and Zoe dropped me off because I was having a party with them.
You're what?
I know I didn't see Griffin. I don't even know if he's left.
So why did you go home there without your brother?
I don't know. I don't know who the heck he is.
That's pretty.
You guys are not communicating right. Ooh, big one again. Wow. And this is... Oh my God! She have a donut for you? Oh, what's up? Wow, what wow? Wow, donut! Who made it? Oh. Do you know where they got it?
No.
Oh. Oh.
He knows Daddy's a big guy.
Let's. Oh God.
Oh my God, now we got another big one.
Yeah, I have a lot of big already. I don't have a gloves.
I'm going back in the house to see if Griffin's over there.
Yeah, probably. All right. Can you guys bring Muffin out actually?
Buffalo win?
Who won the game? Oh boy. Ito yung mga nakolekta naming rocks. Marami-rami na rin. Sa laki nitong lupain, hindi rin namin madali-dali i-remove yung mga rocks. Itong area na ito, dito kami maglagay ng gardens. Dito kami magtanim ng mga halaman, gulay dito guys. So kailangan ma-remove yung mga mga bato bago magtanim. So kailangan talaga may malaking tractor na mag-araro or magbungkal ng lupa dito, and then madali kukunin yung mga mga bato na nandito sa sa soil. Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
Dinner time na guys. Ang bilis ng araw. Ang bilis mawala ng araw. Madilim na. Ito dinner na. Ang aming mga dinner ay halos leftover ito guys. Kagabi. Hindi na ako nagluto para hindi masayang yung pagkain. So ubusin muna yung mga leftover. Ito lang yung niluto ko. Itong anong tawag nito? Itong clams at saka yung mussels. Ayan. Ito yung niluto ko. Pero yung aming isang ulam, stir fry na gizzard or batikulo ng manok, leftover yan kagabi. So ayan, magdi-dinner na kami guys. Ito nakapaligo na rin kami para easy na kapag pagkatapos namin kumain, mag-rest na lang ng mga 1 oras, and then magbi-big time na dahil bukas may school na naman. So mag-i-end na rin ako ng aking munting vlog ngayon. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang aming video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye guys!
All I wanna